So here is the before of my model, and here is me getting started. And as you can see, I have already sectioned off the right side from the left side and have already taken two A-line sections, at which point I've combed the hair straight down, and I am now establishing the outline. I'm holding the hair with my comb and then basically using the scissors to cut in that new outline. And this first outline is going to be the guide for the rest of the length for the rest of the haircut. Once I establish this outline, I will then continue to take other A-line sections, working my way up the head and basically combing the hair straight down to this guide right here to establish the outline for the rest of the haircut. I've completed the outline, and it is now time to cut in the layers. So as you can see, I'm taking a center section in the middle back, and I'm combing the hair straight back. And then I'm basically cutting a square shape. I'm cutting some square layers back here in the back. Now these square layers are going to help this haircut have a lot more fullness, a lot more lightness, so it's not as heavy. Now, I am taking sections on the left-hand side first, and I'm combing the hair and over-directing the hair to the previous section that I just got done cutting, which was the guide. And I'm going to do this all throughout the left side. Once the layers are all done on the left side, I will do the exact same thing on the right side. I've completed cutting in the layers, I am taking a diagonal section, as you can see right here, and simply cutting off that little corner you get when you cut in a square shape. You're going to have corners anytime you cut a square shape because squares have corners. And so what I'm doing right here is I'm taking that corner away and creating some slight graduation. This slight graduation is going to create even more volume, even more fullness in the haircut. So I'm going to go through on the right side and the left side and simply just cut that tiny corner away. All right, now it is time to cut the bangs. So as you can see, I've sectioned off the hair that's not getting cut in the bangs behind the ear, and I'm just going to work my way all the way from the right side to the left side, establishing the new length for the bangs. Come to the end of this haircut. As you can see, there's a lot of volume and a lot of fullness in this graduated layered bob. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And again, I want to thank you guys so very much for watching.